which is a basic technique using activity networks. A. CPA. B. VLSI. C. GIGO. D. MSI. The correct answer is CPA. A large computer designed to handle complex scientific calculations. A. May use only affirmed word length storage approach. B. Will likely require a character addressable storage unit. C. Must use fixed length words of 4 characters each. D. Will not use numbered address locations. The correct answer is may use only affirmed word length storage approach. The 7-bit ASCII code widely used. A. For data communication work. B. In IBM mainframe models. C. For coding external memory. D. In large machines produced by non-IBM vendors. The correct answer is for data communication work. A technique for processing jobs on a first-come first-served basis is known as A. Fax. B. FIFO. C. GIGO cable. D. Optical mark reader. The correct answer is FIFO. A device mounted on a communications satellite which receives, amplifies, and retransmits signals from Earth station is A. Track. B. Transponder. C. Transistor. D. Terminal. The correct answer is transponder. Which of the following languages is often translated to pseudocode? A. Assembly. B. Fortran. C. Pascal. D. Basic. The correct answer is Pascal. The physical components of a computer system is A. Humanware. B. Firmware. C. Hardware. D. Software. The correct answer is hardware. Processors of all computers, whether micro, mini or mainframe, must have A. ALU. B. Primary storage. C. Control unit. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A device used to bring information into a computer is A. ALU. B. Input device. C. Control unit. D. Output device. The correct answer is input device. What type of memory is not directly addressable by the CPU and requires special software called EMS expanded memory specification? A. Extended. B. Expanded. C. Base. D. Conventional. The correct answer is expanded. Number cruncher is the informal name for A. Minicomputer. B. Supercomputer. C. Microcomputer. D. Mainframe computer. The correct answer is supercomputer. Magnetic tape can serve as A. Input media. B. Output media. C. Secondary storage media. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which is the first compiler-level language developed by a team of IBM programmers led by John Backus and unveiled in 1957? A. Basic. B. PL1. C. Fortran. D. APL. The correct answer is Fortran. The first mechanical calculator was invented in A. 1958. B. 1647. C. 1658. D. 1972. The correct answer is 1647. Programmed instructions to the computer is known as A. Data. B. Code. C. Documentation. D. Database. The correct answer is code. Which of the following is also known as SOROBAN? A. ENIAC. B. Abacus. C. EDSAC. D. UNIVAC. The correct answer is Abacus. A repository for data usually covering specific topic is A. Database. B. Data requisition. C. Databank. D. Data collection. The correct answer is databank. The disadvantage of dynamic RAM over static RAM is A. Higher power consumption, B. Variable speed, C. Need to refresh the capacitor charge every once in 2 milliseconds, D. Higher bit density. The correct answer is need to refresh the capacitor charge every once in 2 milliseconds. Which of the following is true concerning personal computers? A. They decrease the demand for mainframe computers. B. They have been most successful in the home. C. The electronic spreadsheet has been a primary reason for their popularity. D. Their future is not so bright owing to the improved cost-performance ratio of minis and mainframes. The correct answer is the electronic spreadsheet has been a primary reason for their popularity. Which of the following machines are characterized by electronic tube circuitry, delay line rotating, or electrostatic memory? A. First generation, B. Fifth generation, C. Third generation, D. Second generation. The correct answer is first generation. A memory that is capable of determining whether a given datum is contained in one of its addresses is A. ROM, B. PROM, C. CAM, D. RAM. The correct answer is CAM. The smallest logical data entity is called a data item or data. A. Base, B. Field, C. Bank, D. Collection. The correct answer is field. Conversion of a hexadecimal number 3D16 to binary number is A. 1,11,101 2, B. 1,10,011 2, C. 11000110 D. 1,10,001 2. The correct answer is 1,11,101 2. Programs prepared by an outside supplier provided to a user in a machine-readable form is known as A. Utility program, B. Canned program, C. Application program, D. Application software. The correct answer is canned program. An input device that uses switch contacts placed under a plastic pad which may be inscribed with symbols is known as A. Punched card, B. Touchpad, C. Punched paper tape, D. Magnetic disc. The correct answer is touchpad. Pictures or drawings typically displayed on a view to allow users to select program options is called A. Hippone charts, B. Icons, C. Graphics, D. Network. The correct answer is icons. A monitor looks like a TV set but it does not. A. Receive TV signals, B. Give a clear picture, C. Give a steady picture, D. Display graphics. The correct answer is receive TV signals. The earliest device that qualifies as a digital computer is A. ASCII, B. Abacus, C. ENIAC, D. EDVAC. The correct answer is Abacus. 1 million bytes of information is abbreviated as A. Bit, B. MB, C. Kilobyte, D. GB. The correct answer is MB. Which memory stores the values of variables? A. SAM, B. ROM, C. RAM, D. PROM. The correct answer is RAM. The first IBM PC did not have any A. disk drive, B. RAM, C. ROM, D. port. The correct answer is disk drive. Which device uses much less computer time than the light pen and gives resolutions equal to that of the CRT display? A. Mouse, B. Touch tablet, C. Touch panel, D. Data tablet. The correct answer is data tablet. The process used to set up a program once the system is operational is A. Operating system, B. Blackboard, C. Bootstrap, D. Utility. The correct answer is bootstrap. A terminal having local processing capability is A. CIPS, B. I. C. Intelligent terminal, D. Optical terminal. The correct answer is intelligent terminal. The provides a path between the CPU and peripheral devices which are connected via interface cards. A. Computer, B. Expansion bus, C. Memory, D. CPU. The correct answer is expansion bus. Which of the following programs give instructions about operations inside the computer? A. System software, B. Application, C. Utility ID compiler, D. None of the above. The correct answer is system software. The magnetic disks and drums are like recirculating shift registers because A. They have about the same storage capacity, B. Their storage is non-volatile, C. Their access times are about the same, D. Stored data is available for reading over and over again in the same order. The correct answer is stored data is available for reading over and over again in the same order. Which of the following time will normally be determined by the requirements of the device to which the transfer is being made? A. Access, B. Cycle, C. Hold, D. Delay. The correct answer is hold. One of a class of storage devices that can access storage locations in any order is A. DTE, B. DASD, C. DDE, D. DDC. The correct answer is DASD. A handheld device which reads marks or characters on paper by detecting photosensitivity is known as A. Light pen, B. Optical wand, C. Plotter, D. All of the above. The correct answer is optical wand. Tiny rings made of magnetic material that can be polarized to represent binary 1 or 0 is called A. Magnetic core, B. Magnetic disk, C. Card punch, D. Floppy disk. The correct answer is magnetic core. A computer program that instructs other programs to perform a particular type of operation is A. System software, B. Application program, C. Compiler, D. Interpreter. The correct answer is system software. Which was the world's first minicomputer and when was it introduced? A. PDP-1 1958, B. 1MB System 36-1960, C. PDP-11 1961, D. VAX-11 780 1962. The correct answer is PDP-1 1958. What is the acronym for Single Inline Memory Module? A. SIM, B. SILM, C. SM, D. SMM. The correct answer is SIM. A device used to measure the circuit density of a chip is A. Light pen, B. Mouse, C. LSI, D. All of the above. The correct answer is LSI. Which type of processing that produces output results immediately after input data are entered into a computer system? A. Time sharing, B. Interactive, C. Batch processing, D. Real-time processing. The correct answer is interactive. A printer in which the characters are embossed on a band is A. Dot matrix, B. Laser, C. Golf ball, D. Chain. The correct answer is chain.